Good morning guys, in front of me is RUGONE Xever 7 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper. So first of all, enroll the settings. Here we've got them. Now find and select wallpapers and choose the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. Here you've got online wallpapers, just pick whatever you prefer. Then you can also choose one from your local wallpapers, local photos. For example, this one. Here you can customize it, or if you don't like it, over here you can go back and choose another one. I'll pick this one. I like it. Just take a look how the picture looks on home and lock screen. Tap on Set Wallpaper and then decide if it's for both, for lock screen only or for home screen only. I'll go with both. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.